Functions, tables to equations test. Linear is the rate of change is constant. Nonlinear, the rate of change varies or is different. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M equals the change in y over the change in x. B equals across from x when it is 0. Number 1, what is the rate of change, or m, of the table? A, 16, B, 2, C, 8, D, 15. Number 2, what is the initial value, or B, of the table? A, 16, B, 2, C, 8, D, 15. Number 3, which equation represents the table? B, y equals 20x plus 10. C, y equals 2x plus 10. Or D, y equals 10x plus 20. Number 4, is the table linear or nonlinear? A, linear, B, nonlinear. Number 5, what is the rate of change, or m, of the table? A, 5, B, 1, C, undefined, or D, 0. Number 6, what is the initial value, or B, of the table? A, 1, B, -2, C, -5, or D, 3. Number 7, which equation represents the table? B, y equals 10, C, x equals 10, or D, y equals 2. Number 8, is the table linear or nonlinear? A, linear, B, nonlinear. Number 9, what is the slope, or m, of the table? A, 2/5, B, 0, C, -5/2, or D, 5/2. Number 10, what is the y-intercept, or B, of the table? A, 2, B, 5, C, -5, or D, 0. Number 11, which equation represents the table? A, y equals -x plus 66. C, y equals 7x plus 38. Or D, y equals 7x plus 59. Number 12, is the table linear or nonlinear? A, linear, B, nonlinear. Number 13, what is the slope, or m, of the table? A, 4, B, 1, C, 3, D, 2. Number 14, what is the y-intercept of the table? A, 7, B, 5, C, 1, D, 0. Number 15, which equation represents the table? A, y equals 3x plus 8, C, y equals 3x, or D, x equals 8? Number 16. Is the equation linear or nonlinear? A, linear, B, nonlinear. Number 17. What is the rate of change, or M, of the table? A, undefined, B, 0, C, 2, D, 5. Number 18. What is the initial value, or B, of the table? A, 15, B, 24, C, 3, D, 21. Number 19. Which equation represents the table? A, y equals 7x plus 52, B, y equals 14x plus 52, C, y equals 2x plus 42. Number 20. Is the table linear or nonlinear? A, linear, B, nonlinear.